Hello RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. Today I have an RC topic of great discussion, debate and disagreement. What is that topic? Radio systems, aka remote controls. People cannot agree on which one is best, what to use, etc, etc. I don't care. Whatever works, use it, adopt it. I have a lot of these. This is probably 1/3 of all the radio boxes that I have. The ones in the front that I still use, Spectrum DX6i, my good old DX DSM to radio. This is an older Futaba system that I have added, modified with a Corona 2.4 gigahertz module, so I can use, frequency hopping and all the benefits of that. It used to be just regular FM radio. And then I have this Futaba frequency hopping system that I still use on several of my models. But all the rest of these are, defunct probably because they came 10, 12 years ago with the RTF aircraft that I purchased, and many of them are FM, so they are not used anymore. So I have been slowly upgrading the receivers to be able to use one of these radios. But I have many more. I have more here in the box for those little helicopters. Still more for these helicopters. Some more for these planes. Even this little remote for my first helicopter ever, RC electric helicopter ever. A present from my cousin. More in these Park Zone Ultra Micro Flyer boxes. And several more for these little micro flyers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Still more in these boxes for the simple helicopters and drones. And yet more in those boxes. So my goal this year is to reduce the number of these transmitters by half and then move half of those onto just one single transmitter. How am I going to do that? After all, the 2.4 gigahertz protocols for most of these planes are different. Each company has its own protocol, their own codec, so they are not compatible. But there's a solution, and that solution for me is in this box. Let's open it up. I'm really excited about this because I'm going to just consolidate most of my planes onto one radio, so I don't have to carry around, like, pick and choose whichever plane I'm taking and bring those radios to the field. I can just have one programmable open TX RadioMaster TX16S radio. So what is special about this, if you don't know already? This is OpenTX, meaning that it's multi-protocol radio. So it can be bound to multiple different brands, such as Spectrum, Futaba, FlySky, eSky, you name it. And then there's a good chance that there may be a protocol on this thing. So I recently ordered this. When I ordered it, it had not been released yet. And finally was released, and I was one of the first ones who ordered it. And it arrived just recently, so now I'm sharing the opening with you. I hope it will live up to my expectations, because I really have high expectations in this one. I paid retail. I'm a cheap person. I usually don't buy retail, but because I was early paying this, there was some discount. I think the price is increasing. This one is not the entry-level model, but the second model with Hall effect gimbals. They are supposed to last a very, very, very long time. And another good thing about this radio, from the reviews I have seen on YouTube and on the internet, it has a rechargeable battery. Ooh, look at this. 5000 milliamp hour. 2S 7.4 volt lithium ion battery. I'm really excited about this. So no more double A's and then decreasing, dropping voltages and all that. But hopefully I won't have to take it out to charge it. I'm assuming that there may be a charge plug outside, I hope. Anyway, I don't know anything about this yet, but I'll be learning and then sharing that with you. So please give me some time. Oh, they even included a very nice, cute keychain. Open TX, that's RadioMaster TX16S, like a mini replica of this one as a keychain. That's cute. I like these kind of things. And here is a USB cable, probably connected to a computer. If you want to use what kind of battery, it's a lithium ion equivalent 18650 battery, so it's kind of showing it here. So you can put the 2 cells of those lithium ion batteries and then replace that one inside. So this is a good option to have. I can keep one charge in here, and then if the charge on this one drops, I can just swap. And I think some spare springs for the gimbals. Feels very nice and solid in my hand. I like it already. I can't wait until I transfer my planes onto this radio. Alright, I'm going to pause now and pick up again later once I have a little bit of time to play with it. See you then.